Hey y'all, let's get right into this unit from Nadula hair. This is their Bye Bye Knots Wig 2.0. It's a 7x5 closure unit. It's been pre-plucked, invisible knots. It's a reddish brown curly put on and go wig, y'all. Of course, we've got the elastic strap and the drawstring for extra security for all head sizes. Y'all, this is such a hot color right now. Everybody's wearing it. Everybody's loving it. This unit is definitely for my girls who want to stand out this holiday season, y'all. So first off, I'm just going to melt this down real quickly. Y'all, I re-recorded this. So what you're seeing right here is the unit all washed, and I just set it out to dry, like air dried. Y'all, this hair is so freaking soft. This curly hair is, oh my God, I didn't even want to touch it after I just used my Even hairspray to just add a little bit, you know, of security, a little adhesive. Y'all, I wanted to leave it just like this, but for the sake of this video, we defined the curls even more, which I will show you how I did that in just a bit. But y'all, I'm just going to lay my edges really quickly. Like I said, I already wore this wig. I already recorded it, so this is just like a do-over for me, which is why my little baby hairs are already cut, but it's not a big deal. Cut them to your liking. Whenever I do curly hair, I always do a little bit more of my edges. I don't know, it's just personal preference, but I'm just gonna take my Lotta Body foam and lay my edges in. I don't think I mentioned this tip, which I'm about to show you guys in just a second, but I always, in every single video, will always throw my hair up after I've laid my edges and then add a little bit more foam to my hairline, especially because this is curly hair. I don't necessarily want to use my hot comb that much because I don't like the straight look towards the scalp. So I add a little bit more foam, kind of get that like the hairline really nice and melted and laid. And then I'm gonna go in and do my drawstring, y'all. I used to do the drawstring in the beginning, but I realized I was wearing it was just too tight. Like I was wearing my wig too tight. And so now I lay my edges and everything, and then the drawstring is what I do last. And I guarantee you, if you add a little bit more foam to your hairline before your black strip, your hairline should come out like this, y'all. It looks so good. The hair is so fluffy. The curls are so beautiful right now. Y'all, let me tell you, this is also a shape-shifting wig because depending on what you're wearing, it's gonna take on a different color, in my opinion. I wore, like you saw in the beginning of this video, I wore like more of a green, and it really brought out the red in this hair like crazy. And then with this gray that I have on today, it's kind of making it more of a reddish brown, which I love. I love both colors. Don't be afraid to wear whatever you want to wear with this unit as well. It's just going to depend on the lighting as well. Y'all know I record in natural light. This is natural light, which you'll see the sun kind of shifting so that you'll get a better idea of how this unit looks with, you know, no sun, with a little bit of sun and all that great stuff. So yeah, y'all, I just put a little bit of wax stick on my roots and use my hot comb, did a little bit of cutting, just a bit. I'll do a little bit more towards the end of this video. And then as far as defining these curls, which it does not need, it just didn't need a lot of foam, y'all. I just went heavy-handed for no reason. I went on ahead, added my same Lotta Body and really, you know, worked it through the hair towards the roots, the ends. And then after that, I just went and curled, like finger coiled the ends of the hair just to give it a little bit more definition. And when it comes to curly hair, finger coiling the ends also helps minimize like frizzy ends as well. So just a little tip for you. Y'all make sure you check the description box. I'll have this exact link down there, as well as any Black Friday coupon codes. If you want a good switch up for the holiday or New Year's, y'all, start the new year off with something different. This is a perfect time to add to cart with this Black Friday sale, so make sure you pick it up. I believe I'm wearing this in 22 inches, but don't hold me to it. I will put the exact link that I'm wearing down below. But keep in mind, I do cut this unit because I think this hair just, for me and on my face and all that good stuff, I think it just looks better a little bit shorter. So if I were you and you like what I'm doing right here, even with cutting in just a bit, I would go 22, 20, 18 to 22, something like that. Then you can really kind of frame your pieces how you want to and really customize this unit. So y'all, defining these curls, just twirling them around my fingers and I'm gonna let this air dry for about 20 minutes or so. Maybe, no, I think I did longer than that, maybe like 25 minutes. And then I'm using my diffuser because I was taking my husband out for lunch this day, and so I need these curls to hurry up and dry, and I didn't want to mess them up and cause any more frizz. So I just used my diffuser and my blow dryer setting on a cool to really make sure everything was dry. And then I'm just gonna fluff the hair up a little bit, and then I'll do some cutting, just framing my face. Y'all always make sure you start off small whenever it comes to cutting, especially if you're just not used to it, but you know you want to go shorter. Do a little bit at a time. Whenever I know I want to go shorter, I will wear the wig at least 2 or 3 times before I make a big drastic cut, especially if I want to go super short. So yeah, just making sure I got some volume. I'm adding a little bit of hairspray because I need this hair to go back. Y'all know I don't really wear a lot of hair in my face. And then I'm just going to do some final touches. So keeping this very simple and easy for y'all. This is a very easy beginner wig. Y'all saw I didn't do no plucking, no bleaching of the knots, no nothing. You can really just put this on and go. Added a little bit of concealer to my part, added some bronzer to my forehead, touching up my makeup a little bit and fluffing out my little baby hairs because I don't like them sticking to my forehead. And y'all, this came out so good. Here is the first look. We got a couple more to go. Look number 2, keeping it simple, just give you guys some options. Just gonna grab 2 bobby pins and do some face framing pieces, some curly pieces, and then just kind of twist the hair back for a really cute and simple switch up. And if you're anything like me, my hair will be, it doesn't matter what the style is, it will end up being in a half up, half down style. So we just threw a little messy bun in here, you guys, and there you go. Y'all, again, the direct link and any coupon codes will be down below in the description box for you. Y'all let me know if you have any questions, comments, all that great stuff. Don't forget to subscribe, even share this video with somebody. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy Thanksgiving. Don't go too crazy with Black Friday shopping, and I'll talk to y'all in my next one. Bye.